Hi and welcome to our unboxing video for January 2016's Nerd Block Classic. I wasn't overly expecting this block so early. I totally forgot that I'd even had my shipping information actually. And it wasn't until I got a text message saying that my block had arrived that I thought, sweet, I'll check out and see if there's any unboxing videos. But I can't find one online anywhere, so I thought I'd do our own and we'll start doing them going forward. I currently subscribe to Nerd Block Classic, Arcade Block and Sci-Fi Block. Occasionally my girlfriend, she subscribes to Horror Block, so when she gets those then I'll do those too and we'll upload them onto the video. So, as I say, I've not seen anything yet, so we'll dig in and we'll have a look and see what we've got today. Okay, so first item that I come across is looks like a bookmark / film cell for Harry Potter. Take this out of the packaging so we can have a closer look. And looking at that, I don't know if you can see that from there, there's a Voldemort film cell, which is pretty cool. I can go with my other film cell collection. Next up we have a Harry Potter keychain. Don't know if I'll take that out of there or if I'll leave that in the box and just use it as a display item. I think for now I'm just gonna leave that in. This looks like a notebook of some sort, based on Neverending Story, and it's actually entitled Your Neverending Story. So yeah, it's just a basic notebook, and then inside you've just got basic standard line paper. Haha, now this looks good. Wow. I've been wanting to start collecting these for quite a while. I've got quite a few of these on my Amazon wish list, and yeah, I am very happy and excited for this item. This is a Game of Thrones Legacy Collection figure, which is done by Funko, from the guys who do your pop vinyls if you collect those. I don't have actually any behind me, but I have multiples downstairs. I've got a fair few on my bookshelf over there, but this is brilliant, and this is a fantastic start to my collection of Tyrion Lannister. I'm going to unbox him actually, because I plan on displaying these on a shelf I have downstairs. So yeah, let's dig into this and have a look at him. Very happy with this month's block so far. And the box and the artwork on the box is pretty cool as well. I don't know until I get to the spoiler card. On there it's saying Jon Snow, Tyrion the Hound, White Walker, Daenerys, Ned Stark. Whether or not you'll get any of those or if it's just this one, I'm not sure until we look at that. Until we look at the spoiler card in a bit. Haha, Half Man. He's actually all tie wrapped in at the minute, so really. Wow, this is so hard to get out, it's unbelievable. So here it is. We can get him to focus on that. So the detail to that is pretty good. And then he comes with his little axe. I don't know if we can get that in his hand or not. I'll have a play with that later. So yeah, fantastic start for my collection. Thank you very much, guys. Some sort of artwork, which, yeah, some Hobbit style artwork. You can see that properly. That's pretty cool. Then we come down to the t-shirt. Which is a Harry Potter themed t-shirt. Is it Deathly Hallows symbol? We have a wand and a skull and a Potter scar. Don't know if I'll keep this or if I'll pass it on to somebody else. But yeah, that's a pretty cool t-shirt all the same. So as we have a look back at the card and we see what we've got. So yeah, there's looking at the card, it's showing that there's all the different types available. So I'm assuming that you get one of the 6 available. To be honest, I'd have been happy with Jon Snow, but yeah, I'm not going to argue the fact I got Tyrion. That is very cool. Yeah, so as a recap, we got the Tyrion figure, the shirt punch, Deathly Hallows t-shirt, Harry Potter film cell bookmark, the Hobbit artwork, the Harry Potter keyring, and the Neverending Story notebook. So for next month's teaser card, you can also expect an item from Batman, as well as a item from Deadpool to tie in with the upcoming movie, which I shall be going to see. Right, so thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. As I say, going forward we shall start doing more unboxings on more classics, more arcade and more sci-fi. So if you care to subscribe, you can keep in touch, watch me unbox my collections, and also watch our gaming videos, which we post and stream on Twitch and export over to here as well. Cheers, guys.